In this video, I will show you how to restore your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, this is my Hostinger Website Builder. Just from working on this website, I deleted the footer on this website in order to record a video. Now I want to restore this footer backup. As you can see, the undo button is not working because my website was automatically saved. Now, in order to restore the version where I had a footer in this website, all I need to do is to click on Website Settings, then click on Manage Backups. These are the backups I can select. I think just the latest one, which is at the top, has my, as you can see, it has the footer I had previously in my website. As you can see, backups are stored for only 30 days. And they are also created simply by publishing your website. Now select the backup you want to restore to and click on Restore Backup. Confirm your restoration. My website backup was restored successfully, and this is my footer showing again at the bottom of my website. And this is how to restore your website in Hostinger Website Builder.